ISS. Someone coming back, but I'm not getting it.
VK6 Foxtrot Golf, VK6YSF.
VK6YSF, good evening. Name's Greg in Geraldton. Yeah, not a bad signal in the ISS tonight.
Now VK6 Foxtrot Golf, VK6YSF, the signal's a little bit better now. Looks like it's passing over Victoria. We'll see if there's any other stations want to come up. Got VK6 Foxtrot Golf, VK6YSF, anybody else? Yeah, VK6 Foxtrot Golf, VK6YSF, no copy this way. A very big signal at the moment. Got the satellite about 18 degrees above the horizon, so it's not particularly high, but getting a good return. Yeah, running about 100 watts on the uplink just to compensate. VK6 Foxtrot Golf, VK6YSF.
VK6YSF, VK6 Foxtrot Golf, yeah, it's elevation down here below. Normally I drop out, but well, I can hear in my signal coming back through the headphones, and it's getting noisy. But you're still about a 5 to 7?
Yeah, very good, Greg. Yeah, 14 degrees now, so I guess it's a bit lower for you, probably about 10 degrees, I'm guessing.
Yeah, and I'm about to lose it. What are we, 6? Yeah, 6 degrees.
Yeah, it's still a really big signal into the repeater.
Oh, well, I guess we're lucky. But yeah, normally, like it's looking at now, so I should be lost a signal any second. And I can hear it in the headphones. It is dropping off. Even if I bring it back, yeah, it looks like it's about gone.
You're making it over in the East Coast quite well. VK2 Papa Sierra Whiskey.
Yeah, VK2 Papa India Whiskey, VK6YSF and VK6 Golf. In Geraldton, he's just about to lose it, but last night it was a very strong signal. Had a copy. Name disclosed, Peter.
VK2 Papa Sierra Whiskey PSW. Name is Peter. Over your north.